Hi Luke, let's give our makeup tutorial. Many of you have asked about my beauty regimen and game day makeup tutorial. So here it is. Here in Utah, moisturizer is a must. I use a product line by my girl, LaVey, and it's a variety of serums and lotions. It's really important to put the serum under the eyes to cover a little bit of darkness, puffiness, fill in some of those creases. That's the first step. Now, on to the makeup. Before you apply your makeup, primer is your best friend. This is Smashbox, just a foundation primer. I also use MAC. Those are two great options. You're just gonna take this and apply it all over your face right before you put on your foundation. You can use a sponge, or I use this brush by MAC. It's a little flat brush. Okay, so we have the primer. Now comes the fun part, painting the face on. I use MAC Foundation Pro Longwear. This is a professional foundation that lasts longer on camera. Now, I look like a ghost with all this foundation on, so it's time to tone it down. I use MAC Studio Fix. Don't judge the way it looks. It's old, I'm due for a new one. I use a bigger round brush and apply and dab. The Studio Fix powder is what sets the makeup and takes away that shine, tones it down a little bit so I'm not so pale. There you go. Now that the foundation is on, the powder's on, I move to the blush. This is MAC. Boop. You can use a variety of tones. I like this really bright pink one right now. It just makes my cheekbones pop. Now I'm gonna move to the eyes. For this, I use a thin eyeshadow brush. I think that's what it is. Again, I'm very amateur at this. I just kind of put it all together and see what works. I experiment a lot with makeup. This is my color palette for this winter. So I'm gonna put this rose color on the outer edge. Kind of see how I'm doing that. And then inside, I'm gonna use this gold. I'm experimenting with the liquid. I like it, I like it. Okay, so there's the gold on the inside, gives it a little pop. Eyeliner. This is gonna be the hard part. I use a liquid eyeliner. And you know, if your eyeliner's running out, a great trick, just put some water in it. Boop, boop, boop. Great. I take the eyeliner and start from the corner, fan it out. And this is really difficult without a mirror. You can go thick. I'm keeping it thin. So you can see that's a thin line and it goes up a little bit right there. So we have one eye done. I'm gonna move on to the eyebrows. The eyebrows to me are crucial. I get my eyebrows done by LaVey. She's my girl, but with COVID, I haven't been able to get in there recently. So thankfully they already have the nice shape. I just have to fill them in like so. You can see the difference? Whoa. Mascara time. A lot of people get fake eyelashes. I used to be one of those people, but it's just too high maintenance, especially during COVID. So right now, a good mascara is the way to go. I can't even tell the brand because it's all messed up, but just try out different mascaras. Now that the eyes are done, I just do the final tune-up. I have a little bit of darkness under here and shine. I'm gonna just fill this in a little tiny bit with that powder again to eliminate the shine and take out some of that darkness. You never wanna put too much concealer under your eyes because it'll just seep into the creases and make them more pronounced. And of course, the lipstick. Right now, I'm really obsessed with this lighter pink color. Nothing too bold and dramatic. Game day ready. Look. Hi.